In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone repositories from GitHub into VS Code. Let's start by opening the source repository on GitHub. Head over to the public Hello World repository on GitHub, which lives at github.com/octocat/hello-world. Once the page loads, take a quick look to confirm that the repository page is showing the file list along with the README. Now let's copy the HTTPS clone URL. Above the repository's file list, you'll see a green button labeled Code. Go ahead and click that button to open the clone panel. At the top of the clone panel, click HTTPS to make sure you're using the HTTPS option. Then, to the right of the HTTPS URL, click the Copy URL to Clipboard icon, so the address is copied. Next, let's start the clone inside Visual Studio Code. Open the Visual Studio Code desktop app on your machine. On the far left in the activity bar, click Source Control. Inside the Source Control view, click the Clone Repository button. A prompt will appear at the top of the window asking for a repository URL. Paste the copied HTTPS URL directly into that prompt. In the list that appears just below the prompt, click Clone from URL to continue. Now let's choose the local destination for the cloned files. The Select Repository Location folder picker will open. In the left navigation of that window, click Documents. In the main pane, double-click your preferred destination folder. In this example, the folder is called GitHub Clones. Once you're inside the correct folder, click Select as Repository Destination in the lower right corner to confirm the location. Lastly, let's open the cloned repository. When the clone finishes, a notification will appear in the lower right corner. Click Open on that notification to load the repository. If the Workspace Trust dialog appears, confirm that the repository came from the known octocat/hello world source. Then click Yes, I trust the authors. Over on the left, inside the Explorer panel, click the README file to open it. Visual Studio Code will now display the Hello World repository's README from your new local clone. The Explorer contains the full set of repository files, and in the lower left corner, the branch indicator shows Master, which confirms that the GitHub repository was cloned successfully and its default branch is open locally. Congratulations! You've now cloned a GitHub repository straight into Visual Studio Code.